Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can add or link your email address to your Access Bank account using the Access More app. Adding an email to your bank account on the Access Bank app is a straightforward process that enhances your bank experience by ensuring you receive important notifications, credit and debit alerts directly in your inbox. And also, adding your email can be a means through which you can get and receive your bank statement or statement of account as it is normally called. So there are many reasons one would want to add his or her email address to a bank account. So in this guide I'll walk you through each step, making it easy to update your email address linked to your Access Bank account using the Access More mobile banking app. So guys, let's get started. So the first step you have to take now is to download and install the Access More banking app into your phone. You can go over to your Play Store, your App Store. So once you've done that, they open the app. So let me tap on the app to open it real quick. You can see now the Access More app is opening. So once the Access Bank app opens up, then I will have to log in. So what I'll do now is to go ahead now to input my password. So let me input my password real quick. So I'm done inputting. Let me tap on sign in. So you can see guys, I'm being signed in to the Access Banking app. So right here is the home page of the Access Banking app. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the profile icon. I can see it right there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see change personal data. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see type. You can see it right there. Let me tap on type. Then under the types, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see email address. That's the second option. So let me tap on email address. Right here you can see email address has been selected. What you have to do now is to input your email address. You can see the provided space to input your email address. What is there is NA. That means not available. That means I don't have any email address linked to my bank account yet. So let me input my email address real quick. Let me just do that real quick. Let me type it in and let me paste it. Right there guys, can see I've inputted my email address. You can see it right there. Now the next step you have to take is to make sure the email is correct. Check through it, then after that then you tap on continue. So let me tap on continue down there. You can see it. Now the next step is to input your transaction pin, which is normally the 4-digit pin that you normally use to authenticate every transaction and activity going on. So let me input mine right away. You can see guys, it's loading. Let's wait a few seconds. You can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see success, customer updates logged successfully. So guys, you can see I've been able now to successfully add my email address to my bank account using the Access mobile banking app. So guys, this is how I can do it, and I believe it was made easy for you. So do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release tutorials like this, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace out.